Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that we probably all agree on, if you're an Edge user, Edge went from a cool, new, no frills, Chromium based browser that we thought maybe this was the thing, to a browser that has way too many features and is really bloated with so many things people don't want. Now, Microsoft is doing a little bit of cleanup. What's happening is that with version 117, that is in the beta channel, they've decided to deprecate some of the features like Math Solver, Picture Dictionary, Citations, Grammar Tools, and Kids Mode, which I didn't even know there was a Kids Mode. Now, the features are still going to be there when Edge 117 comes out in September, but at least they're not developing it anymore, which means that eventually at some time frame in the future there will be probably removal of these new features. I think the Edge team should sit down and start looking at what exactly do we really need and where are we going with this browser. The biggest problem I see with Edge right now is a bunch of people working on the browser saying, oh, by the way, wouldn't it be cool if we add this or that or had this other feature or do this new thing, without really thinking of sit down 2 seconds and think about what you do with your browser and what you really need. So this is at least an interesting side of things. They will be deprecating some features. Hopefully they can deprecate more in the future. Because, Microsoft Edge for me feels nice. I use it a lot, and I prefer using Edge actually as using Google Chrome most of the time. But the more they add and the more it becomes, if you look at Google Chrome, they add stuff over time, but we don't have the impression of a browser that they add things that are always making even more buttons appear and even more features. They still keep it simple. Edge, the Edge bar and all the things that they add is at some point you're like, whoa, whoa, whoa. You guys are like going crazy as to adding new features. So the question I would ask you guys today is if they would simplify Edge back to something that works, that's simple, that's fast, would you be interested in using Edge as your main browser, or you would keep the browser you're using as your favorite browser right now? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.